Hi, welcome to the interview. Let's begin with a core concept. Can you explain what middleware is in ASP.NET Core, and can you walk me through a real-time scenario where you implemented custom middleware? Sure, thank you. Middleware is one of the foundational concepts in ASP.NET Core. Think of it like a pipeline where each component, middleware, gets a chance to process an HTTP request, either before or after the next component in the pipeline. So, when a request comes in, it enters the middleware pipeline. Each middleware can do something, pass it on, or short-circuit the pipeline. Now, let me explain this with a real-time example from my recent project. I was working on a healthcare appointment booking system. One of the requirements was to log the execution time for each API request, from when the request enters the system till the response is sent out. This was for performance monitoring purposes. Instead of adding a stopwatch in each controller, which would have cluttered the code, I wrote a custom middleware. Here's how I implemented it. In the InvoKeysInc method of the middleware, I started a stopwatch. I then called the next delegate to pass control to the next middleware or controller. Once the control returned, I stopped the stopwatch. Finally, I logged the request path and the time it took to execute into a file, and also pushed it to Application Insights for dashboarding. This helped us identify performance bottlenecks. For example, the API that fetched patient history was taking over 3 seconds. Using this middleware data, we optimized the EF core query and reduced it to 700 base. This approach was clean and reusable. Later, we even enhanced it to include status codes and request body logging for debugging purposes, while ensuring no sensitive data was logged. So middleware not only helped in cross-cutting concerns but also kept our controllers clean and focused on business logic.